There are many people out there believe LED lights are not good enough to be used for plants, and they think HPS lights means high pressure sodium lights or bulbs are way better than LEDs. In this short video, I'll show you real results on this LED light that I'm using it for 2 years for my plants. To test these LED lights, I used 8 different varieties of coleus plants. To tell you more about coleus plants, coleus are outdoor or landscape plants which they need good amount of light to be happy and have a colorful leaves and grow to be bushy. And it's nice to say I'm living in Canada and right now is in December, so there is no way to have enough light from sun to these plants or keep them outdoors. So let's jump into the results. This is a Hydro Mars LED light. I'm using it. I bought it more than 2 years ago, and after 2 years it didn't lose quality. And look at the colors of these variety of coleus. Look at this one and this one, and you can see all of them, they have their best foliage color and they are very vibrant, exactly like those grow indoor and using normal sunlight. And here you can see, look at this purple color, is totally purple. And to do comparison, you can compare with this part of the plant which it doesn't get enough light. You can see clearly leaf is more green, but this side you can see it's closer to light, it's really purple. And also keep in mind that these LED lights, they have a 30 to 40% more efficiency than HPS light and generate less heat in comparison with the HPS lights. Look at these coleus is less than 15 to 20 centimeters away from the source of light, but nothing burned and leaves are totally happy and healthy. So this LED light is perfect for these plants, and you can see I'm keeping at least 8 plants happy and bushy. They are not laggy and they kept their color in the best way. But keep in mind there are many LED lights out there which many of them are not good enough. If you want to know which one is better fit for your needs, maybe this video will be helpful.